Black seed and black seed oil. As we know, it is very beneficial for our health. In this video, we will try to understand how it works and what benefits it gives to our body. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek Joshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Black seed oil, what benefits it has? One of the most famous benefits that black seed oil gives is it reduces the insulin in our body, that is, it controls the diabetes. Second is weight loss. Black seed and black seed oil helps in the weight loss. Also, black seed is very famous as an antihistamine, means for any kinds of allergies. Also, very much beneficial for the problems of the sinus like sinusitis, or also very helpful in the asthma. Black seed and black seed oils are also very famous as an antidepressant. So, why and how these simple black seeds, the natural products, how they give so much benefits to our body? Why? First of all, because they are very rich in vitamin B. So, the product that is very rich in vitamin B will be very beneficial for our gut, will help in the digestion, will improve the metabolism, so will help in the constipation. So if a person is having any of the problems with the digestion or the constipation, black seed oil and the black seeds will help. Another thing, if we have good vitamin B, it increases our mood and decreases the depression. So for the good mood, also we can use black seeds. Also, it reduces the anxiety. Other benefits that we get from black seeds is because of its richness in the fatty acids. Black seed is very rich in fatty acids, that's why it is very good as an antibacterial, antifungal, also helps in the pains, in reducing the pains. That's why if a person is having joint pains, can use black seed oils. It decreases the inflammation also from inside and from outside also. Now, one of the most famous benefits that is about the weight loss. Why it helps in the weight loss? It is because it gives effects to the beta cells of our pancreas. And pancreas are responsible for making the insulin. And especially the beta cells that are in the pancreas which makes the insulin. That's why if our insulin will be in control, we will have weight loss. And also, if the insulin is in control, we will not suffer from the diabetes. That's why black seed oil is very helpful in diabetes as well as in weight loss, because it controls the insulin. If insulin is in control, the female hormones will be good, as well as the male hormones like testosterone will be more. And we will have good mood also. So these all things are actually interconnected. The other benefits that we get from the black seeds, that is antihistaminic, also helps in asthma and fighting the allergic rhinitis, sinusitis. It is because of the components found in the black seeds, that is thymoglobulin. And that's why black seed is very beneficial as an antihistaminic and also helps in the sinus problems. Even if we will start taking the black seed oils before the exercises, it helps us to breathe more. It helps in the expandation of our lungs and we will not be tired or will be fatigued faster. We can do the exercises more for the more time. Now let's see how Ayurveda, the holistic medical science, sees the black seeds. In Ayurveda, black seeds are said to control the Vata and the Kapha. Yes, this is the only seed that controls the Vata also and Kapha also. That's why it is very good for the brain, for the memory, and for decreasing the anxiety. Plus, it decreases the Kapha. That's why it's very helpful in the weight loss, in maintaining the insulin in our body. It's so interesting that it's one of the seeds that has been mentioned in the Bible, in the Quran, and in the Ayurveda. You find it rarely, but it is one of the herbs that has been recommended in all of the religions. So if you want to control the Vata and want to control the Kapha in your body, black seeds are one of the best options. But if you are having lots of Pitta, that is the fire in your body, that is gastritis or ulcers, these kinds of problems, the heat problems, then Ayurveda doesn't recommend the use of black seeds. We can use it in the cooking also, and we can use in drinking as an oil empty stomach in the morning. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon we can use black seed oil empty stomach in the morning. We can drink it with warm water. So these are the benefits of black seeds. If you want these benefits, start using it and it will surely help. Stay healthy.